Welcome to the ERPNext Performance Management Module demo. This module helps organizations streamline their performance management process, improve employee productivity, and drive business growth. Let's start with creating an appraisal template. This template defines the criteria for evaluating employee performance. We can set the appraisal template name, the descriptions, key result areas, their weightages, rating criteria. The criteria of the ratings are based on which employee should be rated in performance feedback and sales appraisals. KRA. These are specific areas where an employee is expected to perform. We can set the KRA names and their descriptions. Employee feedback criteria. This allows employees to provide feedback. Appraisals. An appraisal is a formal review of an employee's performance. We can select the employee name, appraisal template, appraisal cycle. We can also view the key result areas of this particular employee. The feedbacks. The employee can also give the self-appraisal as well. Furthermore, we can also view the goals. For instance, we can edit the goal, rename it, delete it, and update the progress. Appraisal cycle. We can set the cycle name, start and end dates. The appraisal cycle also contains settings for KRA evaluation method that is based on automated based on whole progress. Otherwise, it can also be set according to the manual ratings. We can also make the final score based on the formula by simply configuring the formula on this field. We can also mark for which employees this particular appraisal cycle is applicable for. If you just click on the Get Employees button, it will simply fetch all the employee forms and we can create the appraisals. Employee performance feedback. Employee can perform and provide feedback. For instance, this is the feedback ratings and also the feedback. This employee performance feedback is going to be configured in the appraisal of this particular employee. You can also check the designation and user and the reviewer name as well. Goal. Goals are specific objectives that an employee is expected to achieve. We can set the goal name, descriptions, and add multiple KRAs with their respective dates and link it with the appraisals. We also have employee promotion doctor. We can promote an employee to a new role or grade and view summary of all the appraisals through this. That's a brief overview of ERPNext performance management module. This module helps organizations streamline their performances, management process, employee productivity, and drive business growth. Feel free for more queries and contact us for the demo for taking your HR management to the next level. Thank you for watching.